We got gear oil, transfer pump, air filter, transmission, gasket and filter, rear end stuff, and we got a PVC. Lovely. M12 by 1.25. Cross-threaded by the tire shop. Drive. 100. Next up is differential fluid change. Undoing. What is in there? She blows. There's some glue on that magnet. 70 Newton meters right there. There she comes, just a leaking out the back. Yeah. There she comes. There, just here you can see there's a little bit of oil in there. All right, there's the old one. Since it's the wifey's car, we're going to change for a new one. There's the new positive crankcase ventilation valve. There you go. Just like so. Just on that hose to the intake. Next up, we're going to change this air filter. Put it in the same way. Push that in, clip her back on. A little tight here for an oil change. Channel locks. Soak the another 3/4 turn. Pan, bolt, just snug it. We'll go fast motion. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It's there. Next service due, 170. Again, thanks for joining me, Dan at Brick Acres. Let's see you on the next one. Want to stay out there? You coming in? Come on. Thanks, Murray. Appreciate that.